What's up, everyone? We're back. This is our first break of Sunday, January 5th, our first Sunday of 2020. Thank you very much for filling the basketball break. We are doing our first one for the night, and it's a high-end basketball break. As always, Pelicans and Mavericks are free in it. And with this one, we're giving away a spot in the Mega Multi-Sport Mega Break, which is on January 26th. It's 4 different sports and 19 boxes total. And it's $249 a spot. So you're going to get a $249 spot for free in this break. Okay? So anyone that bought 3 or more, you got double the entries. Unless they are in from a mini. The minis do not count as your double entries. They will still count as your single entries. So good luck to you all. And here we go. The dice roll is 6 times, guys. 6 times. This is for for Mavericks and Pelicans. Just got to take this one off. Free it says, and that one off. So just to show you here, so Brandon Sam with the Atlanta Hawks goes all the way down to Jordan Fell and the Washington Wizards. And then these are the double ups. Efren has 4 teams, but he won 1 in the mini. So his 3 counts, and his 3 is going to be doubled up, so he gets an extra 3. Same thing with Anthony Yu. He only has 3 teams, and he paid for them, so that is doubled up as well. Sunil has 5, but he only paid for 4, so 4 for him. And Eli has 3 teams, and it's all paid. So there you go, guys. Number 1 will get the Mavericks. Number 2 will get the Pelicans. We will do the same randomizer again for the free spot in the multi-mixer. Good luck. 6 times it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final. Top 2 are G.L. Davison and Michael Downing. Congrats, Gord and Michael. So, Gord, you get the Mavericks. Michael, you get the Pelicans. So, G.L. Davison and Pelican goes to Michael Downing. Michael Downing, I think that's the last 2 teams that you bought. Yeah, that's the last 2 teams. Spurs and Jazz is the one you bought. So there you go, buddy. Okay, we're going to do it one more time, guys. Let's go back. The different dice roll as well. 4 times for this one. This is going to be for this free spot on 26th multi-sport mixer. Same list again. I already copy-paste without the free ones. So here we go. 41 spots in here. Top name will win a spot. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final spot goes to Anthony Yu. Congrats, Anthony Yu. You won a spot in the multi-sport mixer, $249 value. We do a couple of those every week until we get to the 26th. Make sure you look for the breaks that are marked with free spot giveaway. Those are the ones that will get you in. So congrats, Anthony Yu. You are the winner of a spot in that break.
Decoys as a consolation prize.
Sure. How many would you like, sir?
On the stack.
I have enough.
Okay.
I did a lot of boxes that had.
I saw that.
Yeah.
That one, what was it? What was that? That was the NBA one, I think, right?
Oh yeah.
We had like
Thank you,
that
sir.
many packs.
Oh.
It's a contenders. Yeah, 16 contenders.
Yeah.
There's so many packs.
I was like, no more. Done. Okay. Sorry, buddy.
I can't complain. I won 2 spots.
Let's go here and put the spot holders.
I didn't need those teams anyways.
Good attitude. Good attitude.
I didn't need them. Yeah.
Nothing's good out here. Who do you have for your team?
I have Boston. I have I can't remember now.
Bulls
Bulls, yeah. Detroit.
and Detroit and Golden State.
OKC and Charlotte.
Charlotte's good.
So 15. Congrats, Gord. Did Lily pick the spot for you?
I don't follow basketball too much.
Okay. Let's start.
All right, let's do it.
Good luck, everybody. So we don't need this anymore. 1544.
1 point. Westbrook, Durant, and Harden were all on 1 team. And that's Jordan.
Let's pull a Jordan auto.
Good.
Impossible.
DeAndre Jordan.
Yeah. Is that Washington still?
No, he plays for Brooklyn now, doesn't he?
Brooklyn? Ah. Okay. Let's go back here. There we go. Let me see. Perfect. Okay, here are the boxes, guys. Ready to go?
I'm still learning.
This was you? Okay, congrats. You did it finally, Gord. You finally pick a spot and won. What's up, guys?
He's dunking, you're not stumping.
Because of this, I'm starting to
Why
watch
is this?
more and more basketball and stuff, right? That's one way of getting into sport. I get familiar with the players and stuff, right?
I watch, what's the second guy's name? Dan and who? Jim and Dan?
Okay. Good luck, everybody. Here we go with 17-18 Optic Fast Break. Then we're going to do 18-19 Chronicle. Then we're going to do 17-18 17-18 Encased. Then we're going to do 19-20 Origins, 19-20 Contenders, and then we're going to finish with the $1,400 box of Opulence. Can you get me the garbage here, please? Thank you. Good luck, everybody, and here we go. Fast break, amazing stuff. Still nothing crazy with this case, from this case. So let's see if we can get something nice. We start with a Semi Ojeleye rookie for the Celtics, and for the Thunder, Russell Westbrook. Is that you? Is that you? Oh.
Off to a good start.
Donovan Mitchell, rookie for the Jazz. And we got all clear for takeoff of DeMar DeRozan for the Raptors. Frank Mason III for Sacramento Kings. And Willie Hernan Gomez, Disco for the Knicks. 1. Very nice Shaq for the Lakers. The champ is here. Disco refractor for the Lakers. And we got a Kawhi Leonard for the Spurs. Yeah. I'm very surprised it's still not... well, 17-18 stuff hasn't gone up. So, and this is a pretty good product for that, for the price. Zach Collins, Portland. And we got our first numbered card. It is for the LA Clippers, blue-orange, 107 out of 193, Sindarius Thornwell. Rated rookie, blue-orange refractor to 193. Next up, Jordan Bell for the Warriors. Disco of Lou Williams for the Clippers. Bam Adebayo for the Miami Heat. And we got Josh Jackson, the rookies for the Phoenix Suns. Not bad. In what? Origins. Yeah. Oh my God. If we get that 8-way booklet, it's like Zion, Ja Morant. Like, oh. We got another numbered card coming up. First is Damian Dotson for the Knicks. And we got a nice Thomas Bryant for the Lakers. 32 out of 155. Purple refractor disco for the Lakers. Anthony Yu. One of the more expensive teams. So Knicks, Lakers, Atlanta, and Memphis were all 169 to 179. Or 150 to 180. Justin Patton, Timberwolves. We got a disco of J.J. Redick for the Sixers. Devon Reed for the Suns. And we got John Stockton Retro Series for Utah. Frank N for the Knicks. Then we got all clear for takeoff of James Harden for the Houston Rockets. Sterling Brown, Milwaukee Bucks, rookie. And Zach Collins, rookie disco for the Portland Trailblazers. No auto yet. We got a silver. First is Luke Kennard, Pistons, and we got a silver Charlotte Hornets. Switchful thinking of Kemba Walker. Nice hit. Nice Kemba there. And we got Clyde Drexler for the Blazers Retro Series. Rated rookie of Wes for the Magic. And we got the champ is here, regular one for the Lakers. Rated rookie Dennis Smith Jr. for the Dallas Mavericks. And Al Harford for Boston Disco. Or Horford. Al Horford. Josh Hart for the Lakers. And we got a Isaiah Thomas, Boston. And we got our autograph there. We'll leave it there. And we got a pink Danilo Gallinari for the Clippers, number 9 out of 20. That's a nice one. I don't know how good Gallinari is, but that's a nice hit for Sunil and the Clippers. And our autograph is Pacers, Thaddeus Young. Fast break auto. Pacers is Eli. Not the biggest name, unfortunately. And the final pack is Malik Monk, Charlotte. And a disco for the Raptors of OG Anunoby. Can't say his name, we'll just call him OG Disco Rookie. Chronicles 1819. What do you need? 1920 Prism, 629. And fast break is 349. Come on, Chronicles. Anyone in the chat want to say something? That would be awesome. Base. We start with a Landry Shamet, the rookie for the Clippers. Essentials, Dante DiVincenzo for Milwaukee. Clippers, Jerome Robinson. Orlando Magic, a rookie of Mo Bamba. And we have a nice Donovan Mitchell, very nice, 26 out of 49. On-card autograph, Utah Jazz. Told you guys Utah is good. Donovan Mitchell, 26 out of 49 is our first autograph. All the teams, just to be safe.
That was like Anthony when I first started watching in baseball.
Yeah, right.
Memphis, Jaren Jackson Jr. rookie.
Don't have to swear.
Wow, this one is a super thin pack. Rookie of Shea Gilgeous Alexander for the Clippers. We have a Rudy Gobert for the Jazz, 23 out of 99, blue parallel. Kevin Knox, rookie for the Knicks. Dallas Mavericks, Jalen Bronson, rookie. We have a Devontae Graham, Charlotte Hornets. That's a good one. Josh Okogie, Timberwolves, rookie. And another DiVincenzo, rookie for the Bucks. Yeah, this guy's rookies all of a sudden is like 10 times what it used to be at the beginning of a season. Devontae Graham. We have a red Jerome Robinson for the Clippers, 42 out of 149. It's all Clippers. Studio rookie Mo Bamba, Orlando. We have Essentials purple, 20 out of 49 for the Phoenix Suns of Mikal Bridges. Marvin Bagley, the third rookie for Sacramento, and Wendell Carter Jr., rookie for Chicago. OKC, Hamidou Diallo, rookie, and Kevin Knox, rookie for the Knicks. Miles Bridges for the Hornets, rookie. Shea Gilgeous-Alexander to 249, rookie for the Clippers. Oh, he is. Omari Spellman, rookie for the Hawks. DeAndre Ayton, rookie for the Suns. Alonzo Trier, rookie for the Knicks. And we have a Eli Okobo, blue parallel, 47 out of 99, rookie for the Phoenix Suns. And for the Pistons, Bruce Brown, rookie. And Marvin Bagley, Sacramento. Yeah, this kid's good. The Canadian kid, he is. He's now with the forgot he got traded to. God, I forgot where he went to. From Clippers to. He was part of the Kawhi trade. No, he wasn't part of Kawhi. Oh, Thunder, yeah. Thunder, yeah. Wiggins base, Kyle Kuzma base, Chris Middleton, number 3 out of 149, red parallel for the Milwaukee Bucks. Wendell Carter Jr., rookie for the Bulls. Mo Bamba, rookie for the Magic. Colin Sexton, rookie for the Cavaliers. And we have an autograph, that's not rookie, of Theo Ratliff for the 76ers. Eli. 2 autos so far for Eli. And for Phoenix, DeAndre Ayton, rookie.
Other shelf. Oh, there you go.
You're taking my final box. Rookie of Miles Bridges to 249 for Charlotte. Not bad. There's Michael Porter Jr. for the Nuggets. He's just killing it lately. Yeah. MPJ. Michael Porter Jr. Denver. That's Ernie. Marvin Bagley, rookie for Sacramento. Gary Clark, rookie for the Rockets. Alonzo Trier, red rookie, number 127 out of 149 for the Knicks. Zanin Musa, rookie for the Nets. And DeAnthony Melton, rookie for the Suns. Oh, I missed this one. DeAndre Ayton, rookie. I forgot the RC, and these are just base. So there you go. Not the best box of Chronicles. We'll put these away because I don't want these to slide over. So far, that's our better hit. Okay, in case, 17-18. Nothing crazy out of the first few boxes of this we did. Let's see if we can pull something decent from this one. There's the graded card. And there's the pack. Oh, yeah, that just went up. That just went up. You sold it or you have it?
No, I still have it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good, because if it was a $100 card like a week ago, it's definitely at least $200 now. Okay, we start with a Rudy Gobert, Utah, 12 out of 25. Red. Next up is Miami Heat. Hassan Whiteside, dual jersey. I don't know if it's rookie or not. 24 out of 99. Next up. Oh, auto. Oh, that would have been nice if it was auto. For the Blazers, 88 out of 99. Look at that weird jerseys on there. That's part of the one that he's wearing right there in the picture. Damian Lillard. Portland, that's a good one for sure. Gord, not bad. That should be our autograph right there. It is for the Bulls. Veteran autograph, jersey, Zach LaVine, 23 out of 49. That is Michael Jordan's number. 23 out of 49, Zach LaVine. Yeah, that's a pretty decent hit. Let's see what our graded card is. This is a sticker. Yeah, I gotta use a thick sleeve. We'll put that here for now. And the graded card is, come on. Yeah, give me a gold label, please. Gold label. Wrong side? It is gold. Sterling Brown. Milwaukee, 50 out of, I didn't know the team. Milwaukee with a 9 autograph. Why is it a 9 autograph? Milwaukee Bucks. That was a mini team, and it was won by Sunil. 15 out of 99. Sterling Brown. Okay, guys, we're halfway there. Origins 1920. This one, too, nothing crazy came out of the first few boxes we opened from the case, so let's pull something. Nope. No booklet. Come on. Huh? Booklet? No, it's not booklet. I think there's yeah, there's 2 base there. First is Damian Lillard, 97 out of 99 for Portland. And then a rookie of Cody Martin for the Charlotte Hornets. So thin. Russell Westbrook, Houston. Even though he's wearing OKC.
Hey, come on now. That was like such a freaking...
Paul George, even he's wearing OKC, but it goes to Clippers.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Like, what the...
Look.
That's horrible. Oh, my God.
Both.
Like, yeah, hits. Yeah. You guys suck.
Next up is, oh, that's a good one. Ja Morant. Nice rookie for Memphis. Nice Ja Morant rookie for Jordan Fell
Well,
and
because
Memphis.
he's from Charlotte, it goes to Charlotte.
Yeah, that's the guy Cito is.
Cito wants to try to win the MVP.
Next up is our on card. It is Pistons. Grant Hill. Jersey. Detroit Pistons. That is Efren. That's the rookie jersey auto or rookie auto. It is Atlanta, it looks like. Yeah, Cam Reddish. Oh, big one. Big one. Nice. Rookie jersey auto for the Atlanta Hawks. Cam Reddish. Third overall pick, right?
No, not third overall. He's the 3rd Duke player.
Oh, yeah. It was on the box of Contenders, right?
That's the trio.
Yeah, that's a trio on the... Nice hit, Cam Reddish for Brandon Sam and the Hawks. Now the beautiful Contenders that just came out on Friday, guys. This is an awesome product. Very nice looking cards. Very nice looking cards. They're so nice Contenders. This. What's up, Anthony? Yeah, his autograph is crap. You can, hey, it's one of those autographs that you can look at it any way it's an autograph. See, any way you look at it, it could be an autograph. Such an ugly autograph. All this year's, like all the 1920 class, all of their autographs. Like, look at the first overall pick, Zion. Look at his autograph. They're so bad. Okay, guys, beautiful product. Here we go. Let's hit something big. Let's hit our first Zion auto. Come on, let's hit our first Zion auto. So base, wow, we start, no, we didn't. It's a insert for the Washington Wizards. John Wall, Bradley Beal, Rui Hachimura, and Thomas Bryant. 4. 3 for football, 4 for basketball. And football, you get 5 autographs. We get 76ers, Wilt Chamberlain. Legendary, I can't see it, sorry. Nice looking base cards too.
Yeah, I was just telling Jay.
Yeah. Contenders always have, oh, we got an auto, I think. It is Rookie of the Year contender for Memphis, Brandon Clark. Not auto. Not auto, and it's not Ja. Sure, just go through it after. Something home. Don't worry, man. Don't worry. Don't give up. Suns, Cameron Johnson, draft 2019.
Even when I get cards, you take them away.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I think that's it.
You get the very first card, and then the big gods are like, okay, Jason, that's enough.
No high five.
We got a die cut coming up. It is Russell Westbrook, Houston.
Of course. Of course.
This one is actually wearing Houston.
Yeah.
Die cut superstars, Russell Westbrook. And, oh, we got something shiny coming up. Is it an auto? Non-auto? 14 out of 149, Karis LeVert for Brooklyn. What a nice card. Look at that.
Pretty nice, man.
Look at that.
Wow.
The different shines they have in contenders is crazy. Brooklyn, Anthony Yu.
I was just chatting with him yesterday, actually.
Oh, he's a big basketball guy. Yeah.
He was the one that told me to hold on to Michael Porter.
Yeah. RJ Barrett. Oh. Lottery ticket for the Knicks. RJ Barrett. Sunil. We have another quad for the Bucks. That is Chris Middleton, Eric Bledsoe, Giannis, and Brook Lopez. What? Is he? Oh, we got an autograph. It is Grant Williams, number 1 out of 10. Oh, gold. Oh, that's pretty big, guys. That is a pretty big card. Gold refractor on-card auto for Boston, Grant Williams. 1 out of 10. That's a beautiful card. Man, these cards are amazing.
They are gorgeous. Like, even the base cards. Look at that, eh?
This is definitely a one-touch worthy card. Can you? Oh no, these are too big. Can you grab me
What size?
grab a 55 so I can put a sleeve on it, because it's very hard to hit gold, friend. This is pretty big. I don't know how big Grant Williams is, but that's pretty big. One more auto left in this one. 3 packs. Yeah. We got a die cut. It is die cut auto on card 7 out of 11 for Charlotte. Cody Martin. Wow. 2 on card autograph in the same box. That's a die cut version out of 11. That is also a one touch worthy card, please.
55 one?
Sure. Yeah, and for him 35, please. Yeah. Wow. That's a big card as well.
Charlotte Hornet, imagine that was 1920.
Yeah.
Imagine that was PJ Washington.
Yeah, that would be a lot. There's that one right there. What a nice card.
What is that? What number?
7 out of 11.
What's
It's jersey number, right?
Is it jersey number?
His jersey number is 11, so the die cut ones are numbered to the player's jersey. So the Zion is 1.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Is there 2 101s?
There's 5 different 101s in the product, but the real 101 is this one here. What's that for?
You said 35 and a 55.
Oh, sure, we're gonna get something else.
Okay.
There you go. Nice.
So is that yours? Yeah. Oh, nice.
2 packs here. 2 low numbered cards in the same box. That's awesome.
Make it 3.
We have a Rui Hachimura draft lottery ticket. These are all base guys. There's only 1 per pack. And Rui is Eric Lung collects Rui. And we got another shiny card coming up. It is our last one is Paul George going out to the Clippers. Number 190 out of 199. Definitely a very nice product.
Sure.
And we had 2 nice autos.
Be OKC. Come on.
That Paul George should be.
Like, come on.
The 2 guys standing here get the 2.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Oh, here we go.
$1,400 box. We opened the case yesterday on camera, and the dice roll picked
2.
the box for us. I'm sorry, Zach Levine and Ja and Donovan, you gotta go. We got no room for you guys because those are bigger. There you go. And let's put these here. So this was the one Jason also said was hoping the dice picks number 2, and the dice picked number 2. Here we go. You can all blame Jason.
No, you did the dice roll.
Oh, yeah.
I just was hoping it would.
Good luck, everybody.
Good luck.
Yeah, we had the same problem last time. Oh, not as bad. Ta-da. Come on, give me one of those NBA Finals booklets. Please. Please. No, I'm going to keep it because I need it for picture. For the next ones.
And then the next one you open, you're gonna throw?
Yeah. Oh, you want it? Oh, if you want it, take it.
No, it's fine. Let's wait. You're obviously gonna open more.
Yeah.
At least 2 more.
Oh, booklet. 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 Nice.
Come on, baby.
Okay, good luck, everybody. Here we go. This is what a $1,400 box will look like. Wesley Matthews, 4 out of 10. Indiana Pacers. Oh, Cody also has a twin, Caleb Martin, and he plays for the Hornets as well. That's crazy. So this guy has a twin, and he plays for the Hornets as well, according to Anthony Yu. Which one's better, though? Oh, old school.
Can't tell them apart.
Tom Satch Sanders, on-card auto for the Boston Celtics.
That's me. That's me. I'm here.
Nice hit. That's a good-looking card. 44 out of 79. I don't know who Tom Satch Sanders is.
I don't either.
But that is the card. Next up, we got another Zach LaVine. Zach LaVine, City of Gold for Chicago. 79 out of 79. eBay 101. Zach LaVine.
You got a lot now.
Next up is Atlanta. 62 out of 79. Nice patch. Omari Spellman. Nice patch there.
Patch of what?
3 more.
Omari Spellman. Hawks.
Is that a shoe?
No, it's got to be somewhere in
Then, yeah.
Omari. Maybe
No.
M? No, that's too small for M, right? Next up is Orlando Opulence Scripts. Jason Williams. Brandon Sam. Cody is better? Cody is better, he says. Is that just to make Jason feel good?
I like you, Anthony.
Next up. Oh, Boston. Oh, Robert Parrish. I know that name. 10 out of 25. 2-color old school patch. Robert Parrish. Very nice.
Price check.
Very nice. That will go in.
Oh, wow.
It's not a rookie, but I only have rookie ones here for now. We'll just put it right now, and then we'll change it later.
This is 18, 19, right?
That's 18-19. Robert Parrish. Nice old school patch there. Next up is a redemption. Oh, God, that could be good. Because Luka is a redemption in the product, guys. Luka is a redemption in the product. Let's see who it is. Opulence 18-19. Gold medal autographs gold. So I don't think it's going to be Luka because it's Team USA most likely. It is card number 15. Vince Carter.
Wow.
Nice. That's a Team USA one. I got to check the checklist to see what team. Vince Carter played for 35 different NBA teams. So I got to double check to see what team he plays for. And that card is going to go to that. And we got a booklet. It is Opulence, obviously. Rookie patch autograph. Oh!
Is that yours?
No.
Wow.
That's why I wanted Atlanta.
Wow.
Nice.
That is the Y from Young.
So that's his.
1 out of 5. That is a monster card. Trae Young, 1 out of 5.
Atlanta.
Okay, you can take that box. Wow, that's the Y from the first letter of his jersey. That is Trae Young.
That's the case here.
My God. Need your assistant for one touch, please. booklet like this.
Booklet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, what a card. What a card. No Zion, but we got ourselves a beautiful Trae Young. Atlanta definitely crushed the break. Omari Spellman, Trae Young, Cam Reddish. Wow, overall, pretty decent break for a high-end break, guys. That is a big card. I need the Colt. I need that this way, not these ones. I need those ones. Wow. There you go, boys and girls. That was a fun break. Contenders box was awesome. The Opulence box was awesome. The Origins was awesome. A little bit weak on Optic and Chronicles. And our in case was okay too.
RJ Barrett's going for 18, 19 US.
Huh?
Just saying, like the same style. And Barrett is going for 19
Really?
US. So that's kind of.
Wow.
How much is that going for?
I think a
It-
lesser player is going for 1900 US.
It's his 4 digits for
RJ
sure.
Barrett's also.
Brandon Sam, you owe me dinner, man.
How much was Atlanta going for? In the
It was in a mini.
It was a mini.
was
I-
it?
that's what
Mini.
I lost. I got
Really?
169 was it was
Oh.
169. Brandon Sam. Ernie, my man, you won a spot finally, and no big card came out for you. But I will definitely do that.
Oh my god.
Okay, let me check this Vince Carter, by the way.
Trae Young, 5K.
5,000.
One's listed the U.
The U is listed for 5,000. Wow. I know that's 1,000 and up, easy.
The Y is going to be worth more.
It's the first one, right? Yeah.
The Y will.
Well, unless they do the first thing.
No. Trae. What do you mean?
Trae Young, or do they just do just Young?
No, it's just Young.
TRAE.
Yeah, it's TRAE anyways.
It's a.
But they don't put first name in the back of the jersey.
It's just for the back of the jersey?
It is back of the jersey. Listed for 5,000 Canadian. Well, 4,000 US, 5,000 Canadian. The 1 out of 5, 3 out of 5. Wow, Brandon Sam, you owe me more than a dinner.
And a movie.
No, I'll pass on the movie. I'm not a movie guy, but haven't had steak in a while, so that would be awesome. So that's a nice hit. Obviously, I'm kidding. Let me check to see where that Vince Carter, what team that Vince Carter goes to. Probably hard to find. It's out of 10.
What? How much do you think?
Robert Parrish?
Parrish, yeah.
At least 100 bucks.
Parrish? Yeah, it's got to be. You know, these old school jerseys, if it was just an auto, I would probably say 60, 70. But because of the old school jersey, look how much this one is. I was shocked. I thought it's like a $150 card. But then I eBayed it, and there's not even an auto. Why? Because of the old jersey.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, any of those old jerseys, they go for good money.
Okay.
Because they're officially like used, and see how stained it is.
Yeah.
So I think you're gonna do pretty good on that one.
Holy shit. Look,
Yeah.
They have quad booklets
Wow.
in this product.
Quad booklets.
Oh yeah, and then there's the ones with Nike logo. 4 Nike logos.
The Nike
Oh, or 4 NBA logo mans. Oh, that's
Oh,
why.
I
That's
thought I
why
saw
this.
that one.
Yeah, that's why this product is expensive, because of all the quads, and like there's quad Nike logos, there's quad logo mans. I don't think any other product has quads. They have singles,
Yeah.
but quads. This is the only product I think
How
that
much
has
is a box of Opulence?
1,400.
So that
And
one
if you were to
there,
pull something like
that booklet,
Yeah.
it's got like a heart or something on it.
What the hell?
Yeah.
What?
And it's listed, and it's sold for
Look.
$2,000.
Wow.
Is that? Joe?
It's got like some heart or something.
Oh, yeah.
What is it numbered out of?
US? That's two.
That
Oh, that's
one.
Canadian.
Yeah, it's a number 3 out of 5.
Well, if you guys want, my birthday's in January. You guys can pull in for an Opulence.
Nice one there.
Try to squeeze it in really quickly.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sure everyone heard you, and they're thinking about it. Opulence. Okay, let's see the checklist.
What do you mean this thing?
I know, right?
Anthony, there's one that is sold for $1,900, and it's not even that. It's another part of the jersey. It's like a piece of it's this piece. Yeah, see, those are the ones I'm talking about. So it's this part. It's that little heart shaped or whatever that is sold on eBay for $1,900. Okay, Vince Carter, where are you? Vince Carter. Gold medal parallels. Is it? Don't tell me it's the Hawks. Nope. Raptors. Congrats, Anthony. It's going to show it on the camera. So, on the checklist, Vince Carter. Gold medal parallel USA goes to the Toronto Raptors. This is the checklist for Opulence. This is what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Oh, never mind.
I broke even. I'm ahead a little bit, right?
That's the card that we all want from Opulence. The NBA Finals. Cavaliers and Warriors have that logo there. So there you go. This is going to go to Toronto. I got to take pictures if you're taking it.
Oh, no, I'm not. Just what we're looking at for.
Let me quickly sleeve these ones up. Well, I imagine that Vince Carter went to Atlanta too. Atlanta would just crush that break.
The mini teams crushed it.
I was
Phoenix-
gonna
Phoenix
see
Suns
if
had
you
some
could
Yeah,
see the
Phoenix
two
had-
teams for the one, but I thought it was really good.
Jason, I feel you got robbed tonight. I do. Your players got traded, so someone else took them. I just feel.
That was harsh though.
I would- I
I
fe-
see two cards with the jerseys.
Yeah,
and
that's what I'm
nine
saying. I
there.
feel you got robbed.
Okay, well, what are you gonna do?
Anthony, I was rooting for your Lakers to hit something. Unfortunately, my rooting did not. 12 left in the hockey break, guys. 12 left in the hockey break. Let me just go give these ones. Actually, I'm going to take my pictures now before I forget. So we'll just give it to him afterwards. The PYT or the random? The random? Okay.
Trying to decide, do I get a box of clear cut or just buy a box of Opulence?
Very similar price. Yeah, they're very similar in pricing.
A case, you said a box.
Sorry.
Oh, I thought he's being funny.
Yeah, no.
I thought he's joking, so that's why I said they're not the same price.
Half a case.
That's pretty good. The inner. The inner's 15 and so it's that, right?
Yeah. Should I take my chance for the basketball? How do I hide it from the wife?
Yep. That's
Wait,
the
is she
other
listening?
problem.
Is she listening? No. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think she would be, right? She's not a member, so she can't see it anyways.
No.
His wife.
Yeah. 'Cause I've been trying
So
to-
12 left, guys. 12 left in the hockey break right there, as you can see.
I can hide it in my backpack. I got it in the car.
You can hide it in your backpack.